What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I cover everything Jasmy. Jasmy is a powerhouse of a project. Jasmy is a beast of a project. Jasmy will change so many lives, and people are sleeping, they're fudding, they're naysayers. The market's overall looking bullish. What is Jasmy doing right now? We're gonna get into it, man. We're gonna dive so deep into Jasmy like we always do on the channel. Shout out to all the support that you guys give. Blow these videos up. Go rewatch these videos, man. I got a full playlist with all my Jasmy videos. Get them to 10,000 views a piece. We could do it. I'm doing my best. This is my goal, to make Jasmy as big as the XRP community, as big as the XRP project, if not bigger. That's the goal, right? And it starts with community. It starts with the community members. The bigger the community is for a project, the more the project grows. You guys might disagree, but I see it all the time when it comes to, for example, not to compare Jasmy to meme coins, but you see it all the time with meme coins, right? All it takes is the community for a meme coin to go to billions of market cap. We saw it with Shiba Inu, 50 billion in market cap. And I think the Jasmy community is one of the best. No, I know the Jasmy community is one of the best, right? The best in the space. So 50 to 60 billion dollars in market cap for the bull run, $1 for Jasmy. If Shiba Inu could do it with zero utility, now they're working out utility, right? If they could do it with zero utility, Jasmy, with all of the use case and technology and innovation that it has for Jasmy, I see it happening for Jasmy as well. See Jasmy hitting that 50 to 60 billion dollar market cap. $1 per Jasmy incoming, guys. So support the videos, like, share them. 10,000 views a piece. Go and rewatch every single one of them, guys. We gotta crush it. We gotta show the crypto space that Jasmy is here to stay, and it's here to take over, right? So right here, right now, Jasmy up 5%, $421. Comparing it to Bitcoin, off the bat, Bitcoin is breaking out. The DXY, the dollar index, showed you guys in my previous video, it's starting to dump. It's starting to crash. Let's go back up and take a look. The DXY is starting to crash, so the markets are starting to break out, guys. Super bullish for Jasmy, because Jasmy follows the lead market mover, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin making new all-time highs. Jasmy going for the freaking sky, the freaking Pluto, to $1, $2. I won't rule it out, man. I really won't. Let's take a look. Put this off for this video. From Same 1K, docs former Sony executives equal most underrated crypto project available across every exchange. Jasmy is locking supply in Q4. Will you be late, or is it too early? Not entirely bad. Now, I'm not sure about the locking of supply in Q4. You guys can let me know if that is legitimate or not. But you guys see all of the doxed members, doxed.io for Jasmy. Look at the team. And these were former Sony executives, guys. These were guys who were at all of these team members right here, or the majority of them, were previously working at executive positions at Sony. Okay, that is huge. Okay, that is huge and cannot be ignored, Jasmy fam. You know, that cannot be ignored. Kazumasa, Kunitake, Hiroshi, Tadashi, Takashi, Sheng, Hidehiko, all of these members right here have such legitimate experience in running a business, in running a company, right? And you know, it's not no mom and pop shop that they were a part of. No disrespect to small business owners, because you know, I know how, you know, tough it is to get your small business off the ground and stuff like that. But these guys were running huge companies, right? Huge companies with tons of employees and millions to billions in dollars in revenue, right? And with companies that have spread across the world, globally, internationally, right? So I'm not gonna fade the Jasmy team, fully doxed Jasmy team. Crypto journey, Jasmy going from 004 to $1, then beyond. I'm telling you, that's the goal. $1 Jasmy remains my target, man. From Ray, soon to be many more eyes on Jasmy solutions for data democracy within the IoT. Let's go. So some company called Swapica is ready for quick exchanges on Swapica. Swapica Jasmy is a blockchain platform that enhances data security and sharing in the IoT era. Swap Jasmy in just a few clips on Swapica. No KYC, no registration, no limits. Now recently, KuCoin had an issue set up a KYC for KuCoin, and a lot of people, a lot of investors on KuCoin had to get their funds off of KuCoin because of the KYC. So more and more companies will present themselves to give you different alternatives. So now you could get Jasmy on Swapica with no KYC, so that is great, right? Absolutely great stuff from Lean 6 DeFi. Once again, always do your own research and make your decision mind-blowing. Ex-Sony officers now involved with Jasmy, fully doxed. Never seen anything like this before out of all the tokens I've researched. High caliber profile individuals in regard to past employment, education, objectives. Legit, right? Legit. Never seen anything like this. I haven't either, to be honest. Sony execs in a project. Come on, man. Let's take a look at Doxed.io real quick. Look at this. Jasmy Coin. Doxed.io. And look at this. You could go through each member, man. Awesome stuff. Like, absolutely awesome stuff. The Jasmy Godfather. Ask yourself this. Jasmy leadership was in California on July 2nd. Who were they talking to? They did not fly here to have an initial discussion, right? How close are they potentially to seal a or the deal? These are the things a lot of people in the community be speculating with Jasmy. There's so much speculation. I love it. Crypto, what are the factors for crypto's growth? Community, utility, speculation. Okay, those are the three factors for a cryptocurrency's growth. Jasmy has it all. Okay, so yeah, shout out to Jasmy Godfather. What could have happened? Christ the solid rock I stand. DXY breaks down, looks convincing. Total 3 is breaking up. Watch Jasmy at 424 VAH and weekly. Again, DXY is breaking down. The total 3, which is altcoins, are looking bullish, and they're breaking to the upside. When the DXY falls and dumps, crypto pumps. Bitcoin, Jasmy, they pump, guys. So don't miss out that entry that could potentially be happening. You could, might just be getting in for a breakout, but I'm sure most of you guys already got your bags packed. But yeah, man, don't miss the breakout for Jasmy, guys. Do not miss it. Do not miss it at all. Level 08, talking about the digital identity wallet, founder of Metaverse Standard Form 37. Currently 2,500 companies are participating. Can you imagine what the demand for Jasmy will be when the DID, digital identity wallet, goes mainstream and this patent from Sony shines? So much going on for Jasmy, so much companies that could be potentially onboarded to the Jasmy ecosystem. Guys, it's insane, man. It's absolutely insane. And we already know digital identity will be the future. Sony's leading the charge with that. And we know the ties that Jasmy has with Sony because of the team members, right? So I'm telling you guys, don't miss out, man. This is a nice little image he got right here as well, talking about all the companies, 2,500 companies that eventually will get into DID wallets. Also, let's talk about Society 5.0 as well. Also, data and how important that will be, because data is the new oil. I mean, it's gonna get crazy for Jasmy, guys. It really will. Dip Metaverse, small update on Jasmy. The $700 million wallet owned by DWF Labs, the market maker, moved all of its tokens to a new wallet. Now, now it's just Jasmy. Now, no change to circulating supply. Thank you, Simon, for pointing it out. Okay, so yeah, DWF Labs, huge market maker. They think the company has around $400 million. That's just huge news for Jasmy, man, that DWF Labs is involved with it, cause they got money, man. They probably, you know, pumping Jasmy right now. They're the ones probably pumping Jasmy as we speak, guys. From level 08, once again, you can see they are applying for the Jasmy Ambassador program. That is great, man. With all the documentation they have created about Jasmy, that is nice to see. That is extremely nice to see. I want every community member that is super engaged, super active to apply for the ambassador program. From Yanislav, now's the time, Jasmy, to rise. I hope Jasmy will be close in cooperation with the Japanese government. That's what I'm hoping for. Jasmy being more involved with the Japanese government, or being tied into the Japanese government in some way, somehow. Glitches in Japan's unpopular My Number digital ID cards draw a flood of complaints. So you see, this is where Jasmy comes in with data control, data democracy, data security. There's issues with all of these technologies that are being developed, and this is why Jasmy could help in these issues. Jasmy fixes this. They have issues with their digital ID cards. There's a ton of complaints happening in Japan, and this is where Jasmy could step up to the plate, join forces with the Japanese government to be used to deal with these digital ID wallets getting disrupted. Japan's reputation for attention to detail and quality technology also has been cast into question by cybersecurity lapses and failures in online banking and stock trading systems. Despite the tide of public opposition, the government is eager to push ahead with My Number. So that's their digital ID, right? Yep. Many Japanese, never having had to get national IDs, were leery about the system to begin with, and the most recent estimates are that 77% of all Japanese have one. 77%. Imagine Jasmy gets incorporated into that, guys. That's gonna be absolutely insane. Absolutely. Look right here, guys, from Now Nodes, right? Now Nodes. We've launched our new series at the platform. Token of the week is Jasmy, pilot leader in on-chain data manipulation and transaction maintenance. Let's see the milestones of our Jasmy integration in this new thread. From Now Nodes, the main touch points for Now Nodes and Jasmy are currently the node integration in PC systems and enabling Jasmy transactions in partners, exchanges, and wallet services. We're closely working with enterprises to ensure 100% uptime for Jasmy availability. It's especially crucial for IoT operations. Look at that, man. Powering token transactions, no usage in PC systems. Nice stuff. All roads to our API. You can see Jasmy Coin X Now Nodes, the Ethereum network, Jasmy data, and they go to the Now Nodes right here and how all of the ecosystem works. This is how the typical structure of Jasmy Now Nodes PC node interaction looks like. If you think that it's quite complicated, we have good news. All this journey takes is less than a second with the answer from the node received. Working with Jasmy is easier than you think. Let's see how we do that. The flow is quite simple. Use your private API key to secure the data, extract the information from the PC node, and automate this process later, and then power your tool. Great stuff, man. Get your free API, choose Ethereum in the number of available networks, browse the documentation. In your RPC requests and contacts, you insert ERC20/jasmy.sol. Wow. Awesome stuff. What? This is bullish. It would be useful to listen to the recording of our latest Twitter space session with IC Amphibian and WC3068, where we explain how the collaboration between Now Nodes and Jasmy is structured. Great stuff right here, man. So many integrations for Jasmy, so many use cases being developed, man. This is insane, man. My mind is being blown every day, every time I cover this project. Guys, Jasmy fam, thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video on Twitter, blow this video up. Go rewatch every single Jasmy video I've made, guys. Let's get these videos to 10,000 views per video. And also to support the channel, join the Patreon. Link is in the description. To get also with the Patreon, with my crypto elite here, you get access to private information to help you get more gains in crypto. Link to that is in the description. Jasmy fam, like I said, to the moon, $1 on the way. Blow these videos up, guys. Let's go viral with Jasmy and get more people to join the Jasmy community. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.